Alright guys, this is for John's Cooks. Top Fire card, auto, copy the list, type live, paste the list, should be 10 in there, times 2:47 p.m., roll 2 dice, and we get 8, we'll randomize 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 times, Zach's on the bottom, Rob's on the top. 10 items in the list, 8 on the dice, times 2:47 p.m. Central, 8th and final time, guys. Good luck. And Rob McCoy's on top, spot 5. We went 8 times, 10 items in the list, 8 on the dice, times 2:48 now. We'll type done. And one last look at the time, guys. Thanks.